Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering specifics, the exact Adcb branch name and city, plus the account number if available. This narrows the search quickly. Once done, decide whether the transfer is incoming or outgoing because that affects which SWIFT you use. Next, open Adcb official internet banking or mobile app and sign in. Make sure to use two-factor authentication if prompted. If you prefer, call Adcb customer service with the branch details. This puts you on the fastest route to the correct SWIFT. You now verify the SWIFT code you found. A valid code is usually 8 or 11 characters, so check the format and count characters. Once identified, make sure you have the branch-specific code rather than a generic head office code. This prevents routing delays. Then cross-check the beneficiary name and account number alongside the currency being used because mismatches cause hold-ups. If any detail differs, pause and contact Adcb support. They'll confirm the exact SWIFT/BIC to use for that branch and transfer type. You complete the wire by entering the SWIFT/BIC, beneficiary details, and a clear reference. Review everything before you authorize the payment. Once sent, save the confirmation screenshot or reference number and monitor the transfer status for 24 to 72 hours because many international wires show intermediary delays. If the transfer fails or funds are delayed, call Adcb with that reference immediately. If needed, ask for escalation and request an MT-199 or trace so the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.